Hello, hi everybody. My name is Hema Jairam. I'm from Bangalore. Before getting into Kotak, my background as an individual was I was a housewife for 17 and a half years. When I was just whiling away the time wondering what to do next, one of my cousins said there's an opportunity in an insurance company. Why don't you join there as an advisor? So went to join the company, joined as an advisor. I was there in that company for 12 years, did my career well there. But after that, there was nothing much to look forward to grow. That is the time Kotak came up with that opportunity of the APC model, where they said they are giving opportunity for people who can build up their careers. And in 2012, this model started in Bangalore. In Karnataka, I was the first one to join it. The beauty of this channel is I'm a businesswoman on my own. I'm an entrepreneur. I say very proudly today that we create opportunities where the government of India also cannot create opportunities. But this is the only business model in the country today where I can proudly say, you decide what is your paycheck. You don't have to sit for appraisal. You have to dream what is your paycheck. I always thought about myself, but when I became a team leader, I became part of my downlines' families. I became part of their families. If I have to cite example, I remember a lady who's still with me as a partner by the name Mrs. Shanta. She was a teacher drawing a salary of 10,000, got retired. This lady used to come to attend the training. She met with an accident, broke a hand. Her son came to office and told me, Hema, don't please call her to the office again. My mother is 60. This is not an age to work. She has broken her hand. Look at the lady's determination. After 6 months, she came back again. She said, let him be what he says. I still want to do it. She joined. She joined as an advisor. She became a partner today. She saved 20 lakhs for both her sons. For her second son's own apartment, she contributed 5 lakhs for the interiors. Anybody out there, I would again say, any small dreams in your life, anything you wish has to happen. Please don't stop dreaming. Keep your will and your determination alive. The same way in this business, nurture your advisors. When somebody comes, nobody is born as an advisor. Nobody knows what is selling financial products or talking about financial products. Nurture them, treat them. It's like a garden. पौधा को लगाया, उसको पानी डालो, सींचो, साझो, allow it to grow. Keep pruning it. Give all the necessary things which is needed. Weed it. See to it that it is not infected. As for my team, today I have close to 100 partners with 1,000 advisors in the entire team. And for me, my team is the biggest family, apart from my family. Nehru once said, I don't want my country to be developed without every woman being educated, because he felt if men were educated, it's only an individual who is educated. If woman is educated, it's a family which is educated. So I would say, I'm not being feminist again here, but I would just say that every family having one advisor, as a man, as a woman, doesn't matter. It's for the betterment of that family. The other plus point is, unlike a corporate, I don't have to report to the office at 9 in the morning and go back at 8. You can work at your own pace. It depends upon your appetite to handle the team. There's no pressure from anywhere, anytime. Otherwise, you won't see us sitting here after, this is my 18th year in the industry, still smiling. So that's the picture, or that is the end result of this business. With 125 crore population, we have a long way to go. Much more to happen. And still waiting for that house with that picket fence garden. I'm the best. I'm Kotak Life.